So I got my box with my holiday collection stuff in it. So we're going to open that and see what we got. Of course, we have peanuts because there's always peanuts. So we're going to take those out. And just so you know, these are biodegradable. They dissolve, so they're very earth friendly. Oh, it's a big bag. There's going to be peanuts everywhere. Oh, it's heavy. Oh, look at all that goodness. Oh, I'm so excited. Let's make sure there's something else. Here's a little bag. We'll see what's in that. A little of the buttercream. My lip balms. Those were extras that I ordered. And then our handy dandy little. I think that's all that's in there. Okay. Let's open this little green bag first and see what's in it. Mary Berry hand soap. So this must be the little gift set that you can get. So it comes with the little mini. You could carry this in your purse and use it when you're out in a public restroom instead of the yucky stuff they have. And then a little mini Mary Berry body icing. So let's smell it because I've never smelled this before. So take that off. Ooh, that smells really good. Berries. I like that. So that's the little Mary Berry. So that's a nice little gift set you could purchase together, and it's a nice little teacher gift or neighbor gift, your mail person, and it comes in this cute little bag. So I'll set that aside. Let's see what's in our big bag. Of course, I got some of the holiday catalogs. Oh, this is the cutest bag ever. Look how cute that is. It's like little foil Christmas trees. That is adorable. They always, and it's soft. It's not rough like a regular burlappy bag. That is so cute. Oh, this is the Colorado pines. So let's take this out. So I'm not a big pine fan, so we'll see here how this is. If I can get it out of the bag. It's kind of stuck. I think it might have leaked a little. Which is nice they put everything in bags because it's a little slimy. Okay, so there's that. That's the soap, the hand soap, and then this is the room spray. So I'm not a big pine fan, so we'll see here what we think of this. This is Colorado pine. This is the room spray. It's not bad. It's really, I don't mind it as much as I do. I think as it has the spice and the citrus in it as well. So it kind of isn't as piney as some things. It doesn't smell like pine sol like some things that you get that are pine scented. So that's not bad for a pine thing. And again, this bag is adorable. Absolutely adorable. Okay, so this is the buttercream shaving cream. So set that aside. Here's another pretty little red bag. Let's see what's in this one. I bet this is the peppermint because it's red. It is. It's peppermint stick, hand and body lotion, and a peppermint stick lip butter. So let's see what this smells like. Everything smells like pine now. Oh, it just smells like a good old candy cane. Oh, that smells yummy enough to eat, but don't eat it. So there's that. I think I'm going to give the lip balm butter a try. So let's peel that off. Oh, that is nice. That goes on nice. It smells good. It tastes good. Here's a little gold bag. There's another little body cream, buttercream body icing, because I got extras of those for prizes. Here's the buttercream lip butter. And what is in it? Oh, this is the roll-on. Let's get that out of there. So there's the roll-on. Oh, that smells good. That smells like fresh baked cookies. Oh, that smells wonderful. So there's that little set. And that comes in this cute little gold bag. I love these little bags. They're so cute. And they're just great the way they are. You could just, I think Kathy had said about you could just tie a little, there's another body cream body icing. Apparently I went a little crazy on those. And there's another Mary Berry icing. And here's a big of the peppermint, oh no, this is the peppermint stick foot mask. Ah, this is awesome. I love it. I love the peppermint stuff for your feet. It's so refreshing. It just makes your feet feel so wonderful. A couple more little peppermint stick lotions that I got. And oh wait, there's another one of those. Another Mary Berry body icing. So let's see what's in here. Oh, this is the Mary Berry gift set. So it has the Mary Berry body wash and the Mary Berry hydrating body spritz, and then the Mary Berry body polish. And that comes in this cute red organza bag. So that's a nice little gift set. Or you can, split it up and use it as a couple gifts. That's one nice thing about the gift sets. You can always split them up. So that's everything in my box. And I can't wait to try all these products. And I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, my first one.